so you are putting few video clips together. It doesn't quite look right, so you look for the one and obvious solution and you reach for that crossfade transition. The crossfade transition which will make your video look professional. No, it won't. My name is Pav, and in this video I'm gonna tell you why you should leave those crossfade transitions alone. Overusing crossfade transition must be #1 mistake most video editors, new video editors do. And video editing is an art. Good edit is invisible. In a good edit you don't see the cuts and you don't pay attention to them. I'm sure you all watch movies and TV, and I'm sure you all have seen the crossfade transition, but most likely in the right place and for the right reason. And more about that later. I'm editing video in Adobe Premiere, but the principles are exactly the same in whatever software you are using. We have here a bunch of clips which are non-sequential. They don't show any action or story. They are a bunch of clips filmed at the office. We're gonna put them together quickly, just like this, and put the crossfade, the transition in between every single shot. This seemingly works, but every transition is visible to the audience. You take away from the shots, and especially if the shots are short like this one, the crossfade transition at the start of it and the end of it will take most of the visible footage away. Most common mistake beginner video editors make is to cut the shots first together and apply transition to every single shot and then add the music later. The simple solution to fix this is to add the music to your edit first and edit the shots to the music, and not use the crossfade transition unless there is need for it. So let's recut this quickly to the music. So I place the cuts on the beats of the music. This gives the edit more dynamic feel, and even if the viewers will watch it without the sound, the video will have that rhythm. In movies and TV, the crossfade transition is used very often to start things with, end things with. But most common usage of crossfade transition is to show the passage of time. In this example, we clearly see the passage of time. What crossfade does here, it shows that the character has moved from place A to place B, but we don't see that journey in between. So the time has passed and the passage of time has been shown by crossfade transition. So now let's have a look at a bunch of shots which are sequential and show the action. I'm gonna put them quickly together with the crossfade in between, but as we all know, the crossfade is representing the passage of time. This doesn't work at all. The crossfade really draws attention to itself and doesn't make the video flow well. Let's reshuffle this quickly, cut it to music with no crossfades, and we get this. And as you can see, it works. So ditching those crossfade transitions from between every single edit will give you more control or will make your video more dynamic. Obviously the rules are made to be broken, but be creative with it. When it looks right, you will know it's right. I hope this video will help you to abandon the crossfade transitions and become the better video editor now. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time.